Sir, could you please share your views regarding the Indian medical system, education system, which is prevalent in India?
The Indian medical education system, unfortunately, is still continuing, which was advised by the Britishers. We try to follow the British system of medicine. Now things are changing. The British system always maintained that we should have a lot of time with the patient and patient interaction. The US system, which is slightly different, is more oriented towards the evidence-based medicine. And this evidence-based medicine has been replaced now and is being replaced over the years in India also. Earlier, always people used to believe that the more the experience you are, the better physician or better surgeon you are. But today, it has been replaced by the evidence. If you say, my experience, I say my experience means nothing. Unless you prove it, that whatever you are talking has been done. We have the evidence in the net or the literature to suggest your hypothesis. That way, things are improving. But the only biggest problem which is Indian system is being faced today, that we are preparing medical doctors not to work in villages. We are producing doctors who wants to work in a big cities. For two reasons, they want to be in big cities because their facilities are more. And they look forward because after all they have studied for 5.5 years. They want the basic comforts which can be given to them and to their family, which is unfortunately is lacking in our system. We want every politician talks about that we must send the doctors to villages without realizing that do we have the infrastructure? No, we don't have the infrastructure. We send a doctor for what? He does not have a dispensary, he does not have a facility to where he can treat, he does not have medicine, he does not have nurses, he does not have paramedical staff. What is the doctor going to do? And even if he tells an after some time he will have children. Where will they go to for education? Where will they go for education? There is no way. Then how can you expect the doctors to go and work in a village? Either we tell them that look, the system should be like this, that they will go to a village, but we provide, the government provide the basic amenities. So we are the biggest problem the Indian medical system is facing, for which the doctors are frustrated, they are not satisfied, is where to go to work. If I want him to, he has studied in a big city, a town, big town, and then you expect him to go to village, how can he go? With no infrastructure. So the first and foremost which I think the government should do it, they should try to make the things better, where they can go and work. People talk about that there is a brain drain. Yes, there is a brain drain. Outside people go out, they go and work. At least they have the basic amenities. Even the people who are working in the US, who are not working in the best of medical institute, they are working in the suburban areas or the urban or even the villages, they have the basic facilities. They have got education, the children can go to school, they have got electricity, they have got water, they have got all the infrastructure, where we don't have. So unless we evolve the whole system of medical education to cater for the masses, how can we work it out? The closest to us was China. They tried to work it out and they said their system works very well. The system is that first at the village, he is looked after the village level. He is not a doctor, he is one of those person who has been trained, paramedical type, but 1 year training or 2 years training. If he cannot treat at the village level, he will go to the slightly bigger center and then he will go to a bigger center. We don't have that referral system also. Everyone runs for the bigger city because in this village or city, people are not there and the person who are there, they are not properly educated. They don't have any training. And this is the biggest thing, as we all know, that they write down RMP registered medical practitioner. Have we gone and seen where is he registered? What training he has? None. And these are the quacks. And they treat. Every day you read in the paper, every day we come across that someone has treated. What for? We do not know.